Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of motorcycles. Today, we dive into the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200, a machine built for adventure lovers and off-road enthusiasts. Is this the best budget adventure bike of the year? Let's find out. Bold new design and features. The 2025 Xpulse 200 continues to impress with its rugged and stylish design. Hero has fine-tuned the bodywork, giving it a more aggressive stance. The updated LED headlamp ensures better visibility, while the digital instrument cluster now features turn-by-turn navigation, a game-changer for explorers. Performance and engine upgrades, powering the Xpulse 200 is the tried-and-tested 199.6 cubic centimeter oil-cooled engine, now refined for better efficiency and smoother power delivery. The 5-speed gearbox offers crisp shifts, making city rides and highway cruising more enjoyable. The improved exhaust system enhances both performance and the bike's signature growl. Suspension and off-road capabilities. Adventure riders will love the long travel suspension, high ground clearance, and wire-spoke wheels that make rough terrains feel like a breeze. With dual-purpose tyres and a comfortable riding posture, the Xpulse 200 is built to take on dirt trails, gravel, and city streets with ease. Final verdict. With its affordable price, rugged performance, and adventure-ready features, the 2025 Hero Xpulse 200 remains a top choice for riders who crave thrill without breaking the bank. Whether you're an off-road junkie or a daily commuter, this bike delivers. That's all for today's review on Next Gen Reviews. Would you take the Xpulse 200 for an adventure? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more exciting bike reviews.